You don't have to be a football coach, a baseball coach, basketball, track, to be honest, treat people right, give your best, work hard.
People have worked really hard to get this to happen. It's been a really long time coming, and everybody involved is just really excited.
We've been challenged like there's no tomorrow. Not only did we have COVID, but then the smoke came. Then the lightning came. But it's okay. We took care of it the same way that we always do. Linfield way. You stick your nose in it and you keep fighting.
I think this is just a huge project for the program. I'm all in for the program. I want what's best for the program. We just got a new coach in Duval, and we're really excited to have him. I'm really excited to see how this program goes forward with him, and then also getting this new complex. It's almost like we're starting at ground zero, if you will, and we've got nowhere else to go but up.
I believe in our student athletes. I believe in our athletic programs. I believe in the character that is developed from playing sports. So rest assured that there is no plans to eliminate sports at Linfield.
1, 2, 3, turn 'em! Yeah!